Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to roll back a driver in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start button. From the menu, click on Device Manager. The Device Manager window will open, where all hardware devices installed on your computer are listed. Now locate Display Adapters and click the small arrow next to it to expand the list. You will see the graphics device installed on your system, for example Intel HD graphics. Right-click on the graphics device. From the menu, click on Properties. A new Properties window will appear. Click on the Driver tab at the top. Here you will see information about the installed driver, such as the driver provider, driver date, and driver version. Now click on the button that says Rollback Driver. Windows may ask you to select a reason for rolling back the driver. Choose any appropriate reason from the list. Click Yes to continue. Windows will now uninstall the current driver and restore the previously installed driver. During this process, your screen may flicker or briefly turn black. This is normal when graphics drivers are being changed. Wait for the process to complete. Once the rollback is finished, the previous driver version will be restored. You can click OK to close the window. And that's how you roll back a driver in Windows 11 using Device Manager. Rolling back a driver is very useful if a new driver update causes problems with your hardware. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical computer tutorials.